Welcome everybody. As a photographer, I sometimes wonder what are my images being used for. Now, if you're like me and you sell your images as stock photography, you pretty much don't know where your images are being used. So today I'm going to show you a way that you can maybe look up and see how your images are being used on the internet. My name's Jason Yoder. I'm a travel and photography enthusiast. I sell my images as stock photography, which helps pay for some of the trips I take, like this most recent one I just took to Italy. And if you miss it, just click somewhere up here, and it'll take you to a link to the playlist. I also want to thank my supporters on YouTube, like Stango, Christian Lopez Walker, and Ray Davies. I also want to invite all of you to check out patreon.com/EWJ, where you can further support this channel. And of course, I want to thank my Patreons for this. Like I promised, I do take the funds I receive from Patreon and reinvest them into this channel. This is my new voiceover mic, and I'm actually trying it out with this video today, so we'll see how that goes. Anyhow, when selling your images online, you don't really know where they're going to be used. Now, some sites will give you some information like, well, let's check out ShutterStock. Now here we can see, well, some information about where some of my images have been sold, but pretty much that's it. So we're kind of guessing as to what those images are being used. Where in the world are they being used at? Well, I'm going to go ahead and show you a neat little trick that's going to help us find where our images are being sold. Right now we're at images.google.com. All we have to do is just drag and drop an image into the search bar. It will upload into Google, and it'll go through Google's database and try and find sites that are using your images. So here's an image, a very popular image I have from the US Capitol. Let's go ahead and see what happens when we do a search in images.google.com. All right, so here we have the original image. Let's see, we've got some similar images here. I can see, like, this one's one of mine. Let's see, which one? I used that one. There we go. So you guys can see that it's been uploaded on several different stock agencies, and I do use these stock agencies. And, nothing other than stock agencies. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out a different image. Let's go ahead and check out a very popular image from the Sonoran Desert, one of my more beautiful sunsets. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Now, I can recognize some of these images right off the top. These are mine in the similar images. So here we have the usual stock image sites. Picked up my website. Oh, what's this one? Ah, we've got something here for acrylic paintings. All right, so apparently this is just an advertisement that you can upload your picture, get acrylic painting on. Okay, so that was nothing big. Well, we're kind of striking out here. Now, let me just kind of explain what could be happening here. If you just sold your first image, don't do this, because this image sold many times and we're not getting a lot of hits on it. All right, if you have a really popular image, then it could work. Let's do one that is going to work. So this is my most popular lava image. I took this thing, I think, in 2003 out on the big island of Hawaii. So let's take a look and see what we have here. Firemountain-something.com. Let's see here. Nope, not seeing it there. Now, maybe buried somewhere in their site. Let's keep going here. Pixworld.net. I have no idea what this is. Let's see. All right, this is telling me that it's an image coming from Dreams Time, which would be correct. So, by the way, guys, when you see stock agencies that you're not uploading to, chances are they're going to be partner sites, and you're going to get a commission from sales on those partner sites. All right, let's try this. Volcano Mountain Hot Lava. Nothing. Okay, that one's dead. Photo shirt, 123RF, 123RF. Oh, got a lot of hits on this one. Obviously, Pinterest. People are always stealing this one and putting it up on Pinterest. Photo by Jason Yoder on Dreams Time. Okay, well, this is an advertisement from Dreams Time, so there's a chance I might get a sale from that one. One place where I know this image has popped up before is, let's see, oh, what's this? Earth and Space Science. Introduction to volcanoes. All right, so it looks like it's being used for educational purposes. That's cool. And there's one other one I wanted to show you guys if I could find it. There it is, Love Burns. I do know this is on the cover of a book. So you guys could see it's on the cover of a book. So there are ways to find how your images are being used. They may be a little hard to find at times. It's because they may resize them. They may use them, put other attributes in them or use them as part of another image, which would mean that Google won't be able to find them. So don't worry about it. They're out there. As long as you're getting commissions for your sales, that is what counts. Now, of course, getting to see your photos being used, well, that can be rewarding as well. But, yeah, I know, we all like the money. All right, everybody, next week we are going to be packing up the Jeep. We are going to be heading deep into the wilderness of Arizona's high country to do some astrophotography. That means we're camping out at night, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Please remember to leave a comment. That always helps promote the channel, and I'll see all of you next time.